Hello, this is my remix video section part of the project. Yeah, I'm using Minecraft, because why not? Creativity. Anyways, my project has a lot to do with technology versus physical copies. Basically, using laptops or using notebooks for notes or for studying, etc. Now, the goal is to get to the end without dying. It's 3 questions and you have to answer each one right, or else you don't win. So, as you can see, we have to get our items back if they've been stolen. First question, and of course you should know this if you've seen the presentation or the model. What is good writing? Is it influential language or proper grammar and spelling? That's obviously your question. Tick. That would kill. That would definitely kill. The second question would be, writing can be better than typing. Now, of course, it's situational, but is typing better all around, or are there benefits to writing? Yep, that's still death. So obviously there are some benefits to writing. Tactile memory being one. And the final question: what's better, writing or typing? And the answer may surprise you. No. Technically, well, it's really based on your own opinions, but each has their own advantages. But you could still use both to properly make whatever assignment you're doing. So, there you go. You win after those 3 questions. These are the advantages for writing, and these are the advantages for typing. Pretty easy, right? Well, I guess this is educational and informational.